QuickBooks Self-Employed review. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to review QuickBooks Self-Employed, a tool specifically designed for freelancers and independent contractors. Make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. QuickBooks Self-Employed is tailored specifically for freelancers and independent contractors. It simplifies tax tracking, including tools for managing quarterly tax estimates and preparing Schedule C. The platform allows for simple invoicing and easy tracking of expenses. It also includes automatic mileage tracking for business trips, helping users maximize deductions. And it's offered at a lower price point compared to other QuickBooks versions, making it budget friendly for self employed individuals. However, it lacks many features that are available in QuickBooks Online. It does not offer payroll services, which could be a drawback for those needing payroll management. And it's not suitable for growing businesses that require more advanced features. However, QuickBooks Self-Employed is a solid choice in 2024 for freelancers and independent contractors who need straightforward tax tracking and essential accounting tools. While it excels in these areas, it may not offer the advanced features required by growing businesses. That's all for the video.